Dearly beloved, we are all gathered here to pray.
Oh my gosh!
When you show your dog something on the sofa, and he's all in.
Alfie!
My jealousy game's strong, so feel the side-eye human. Trying to hydrate, but your dog insists drinking from a falling bottle is better. Look at how jumpy this pit bull is. He's Santa's new reindeer. Introducing the Supermarket Squad. They're ruling the street in a trolley basket. When your dog's your sleep coach, mouth shut.
I think I like this little life.
Who needs real beaches when you can dream of waves and wagging tails? This owner's helping his dog get over his fear of trimming. Let's see the result.
Would you guys hold the light still?
Oh, well that's the one who told me to get my hair trimmed. With a furry member, family dancing is perfect. You put a big boy in charge of guarding the door, and it's time to move or be moved. Grandma's cuddles are the best, even if you have to climb sofas to get them. Way to impress your date, raise a wiggling furry bunny.
Where did you get?
Across the street.
That's a good stick, Bubs.
He picked it up across the street.
That's a good stick.
They must be best friends and best co-workers in the world. The hug said it all.
Chicken. We got chicken. Chicken.
The quickest way to win this dog's heart, say the magic word. Toy.
With Dozer's toys. With a milk bone. Does Dozer want a milk bone?
Bruh.
Seems like the magic trick worked. This boy is baffled his head out. When your dog becomes a sneak attack ninja, all you can do is laugh, man. It feels great to be next to my sister studying far from home.
Don't be taking pictures of me.
I bet you've never seen a dog eat hair like a slice of ham. Yum yum.
Let me record. Roxy, take it easy. Okay? You're like hitting skin and shit.
Grandpa is giving his puppy a surprise makeover. But oops, the dog's wide awake now.
What?
She's just so cute. I love her.
Gina.
Babe.
Beds now. Go. Bruno.
Help me! When it comes to belly rubs, this dog has a no more scrolling, just rubbing policy. Guess who's mastered the art of sleeping in loving arms? This happy kiddo.
I think I like this little life.
When Grandma's cooking, this doggo knows it's the highlight of his day. Me doing yoga versus my dog doing interference asana. It's a special bond, you know. When your dog is your biggest fan and the only dance judge that you need. Homecoming ritual with your pups. Smooches is true love at its finest. When you're not only a puppy, but also the best security guard ever.
That dodgy bug.
Thanks for tuning in to our Canine Comedy Fest. Hit like, subscribe, and fetch more laughs with these funny furballs. Until next time, woof you later.